Hi, Dad. Morning.
Morning, Mr. Nice.
Say hi to Sonny.
Sunny boy, Mr. Nice. Oh, oh, hi.
Where you going, Sonny? Someone's saying hi to you.
Mr.
Who are you talking to, Dad?
Mr. Nice, Mimi.
Mimi. Dad. Daddy. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Nice.
Yee.
Sunny boy.
Sonny.
Sunny boy. Oh, Sunny
My two favorite people. Sonny and my Fabi.
boy. Sunny boy.
Dad, I made coffee. I made coffee, a little fire. Nice fire going. Lake. Dad, what would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast? Uh-oh.
French toast.
You want me to make you French toast? Who's that, Dad?
Screwball.
Hi, Screwball. Damien. Daddy, what do you want for breakfast?
French toast.
Whole wheat?
Whole wheat French toast.
With a lot of butter?
What's fleeing?
A lot of butter?
Oh, all over.
Okay. You have your coffee now?
Now. Juice.
There's juice there for you.
Garlic juice.
Sonny gave you.
Garlic juice.
Who gave you the nicest green this morning so far?
Mr. Nice.
He's perfect, huh?